Hi, in front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 9T, and today I would like to show you how you can operate one-handed mode on this device. Firstly, go into settings and scroll down. Now tap on additional settings and select one-handed mode. Click on the switcher to activate it, and over here you can even change size of it. When you're done, follow those instructions. So if you want to use one-handed mode with your right hand, swipe from home button to the right. If you wish to go back, tap on this black area. If you want to use it with your left hand, do the same to the left. If you want to turn off one-handed mode completely, just click on the switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!